We've been working the last few months getting all the details finished on the Roy Pitz Tanker project. And in order to get it all cleaned up and ready for its big reveal, we've got my friends Lacey and Rami in the shop from Renegade Products. They're gonna help us get it all gussied up and ready for its big reveal.
I'm Rami with Renegade Products. I decided to bring Lacey Blair from LB Motorsports with me out here to Hauk Designs to play around with some product on Kenny's beautiful builds, especially his beer tanker. Renegade Products essentially manufactures car and truck and plane cleaning and detailing products. Kenny makes some incredible vehicles, custom, and they're beautiful, and we just want to help him keep them looking their best. One of our most popular products and the start of any car cleaning or automotive cleaning experiences starts with a wash and wax, basically a soap. And we have here with us Lacey from LB Motorsports to show us how it's done.
My name is Lacey Blair with LB Motorsports, and I'm an influencer in the automotive industry. So I'm here at Hauk Designs with Renegade Products, which is one of my media partners, and we're here to have a great day, check out the awesome builds, and clean them up for the final touches before tonight's party. Renegade is essentially for your everyday car enthusiasts, but we like to showcase what they can do on awesome builds like what they build here at Hauk Designs, so that's why we're here. What we're gonna do first is spray it down, get rid of any road grime, anything like that. Then we're gonna hit it with our foam cannon with our Rebel Wash and Wax soap, spray it down again, and then we're gonna finish it off with our HydroGuard spray. So I've been kind of a fan of Hauk Designs. I came across their Instagram page and everything they build is right up my alley. So when Renegade said they were coming here, I'm like, I have to be a part of this. It's fun to wash your everyday car, but when you get to put your hands on something like the Tanker or any of the other awesome builds that they have here, it's kind of like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so I'm really excited. So I've always been passionate about the automotive industry just as a whole, but what's important to me is the relationships that are built just like here today. We get to see some awesome builds, but we also get to meet some amazing people and have lifelong friendships. So we're super excited to be a part of the reveal of the Tanker, and we're excited to see where this relationship between Renegade and myself and Hauk Designs takes us next. We're ready to see what Kenny builds next.
We had a lot of fun. I want to thank our partner Lacey for being with us and helping us get Kenny's vehicle ready for the party. And as the notorious B.I.G. would say, and if you don't know, now you know.
Josh and Zach from Village Customs and our entire crew here at Hauk Designs have been working around the clock the last few weeks to get both of our project checks done for this big event. The day has finally arrived to showcase our rat rod build-off. Josh and his crew from Village Customs, all the guys from Hauk, and cool rat rods from all across the country have converged into one location. It's going to be an amazing event.
The last few weeks have been absolutely crazy at Village Customs. We've had a ton of people come give us a hand and trying to get this truck done, a lot of late nights, and we've really been working hard. Kenny kind of pushed the bar and made us work a little harder on this, so we went a little bigger and a little better than we normally build, and I really think that everyone will be impressed with what we brought to the table for the diesel rat rod build-off.
Kenny Hauk and Josh with Village Customs approached us with Chris Sorrell at SEMA last year and said they were going to do a rat rod semi build-off, and would we be interested? So I was like, well, this will be cool, and so the whole thing just sort of evolved, and I think that everything that these guys are doing is great. I'm excited that they're representing our company. They're excited that the products work the way they do.
Super happy to be here at Hauk Designs, checking out the unveiling of the tanker truck. This thing's awesome from what Kenny has said, and Rare Parts has done all the steering and suspension underneath that truck. So we're happy to be here, happy to be part of another build, and can't wait to see what Kenny has done once again.
It's really cool to be here and see all of our parts. finished and with all the details done to them, the engraving, the plating, it works so well together. Everything looks great.
All these cool rat rods are outside, and it's a really cool event to have some live music. They've got the Village Customs build as well as Kenny's Hauk Designs build from Hauk Machines, and hopefully everybody has a great time today, and I'm happy to just be here today. So
it's been an interesting year to say the least. The fact that everybody is here enjoying themselves, feeling like we're normal again. And so this is just sort of like the candles on the birthday cake for us, and we're just thrilled to be part of it. It's going to be really tough to decide. My personal opinion is that alcohol probably will rule, and just because Kenny can serve beer, it may push him over the edge just a little, but personally I think they're both just absolutely magnificent pieces of art.
Josh's is like this raw deal, and Kenny's is rat rod, but it's so still so polished and refined and detailed and beautiful. So God, how do you pick?
Having a blast. Some nice rides here.
Yeah, I'm having a great time.
Having a blast. Absolutely, having a blast.
Oh yeah, man. Love seeing all the rides out here. People are voting for it. In fact, I actually put a story out there. Got people voting already. So far, 100% for Hauk Machines. So sorry, Village Customs, but the people are speaking. Let's see. Still got some more time. Let's see what happens.
Tanker truck. Tanker trucks all the way, baby. Tanker truck.
Well, I like the beer tanker.
Oh, the detail. There's so much detail in it.
Probably the beer. I think that's my favorite part, to be honest with you.
And everything on the engine and on the trim is absolutely amazing, and the engine looks awesome behind the cab.
Yeah. The engraving, the copper.
Yeah, the patina, man.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. I mean, so much artistic style went into this thing. It is something on another level.
Oh, the engravings are amazing on that thing.
Kenny did all right for a beginner. Josh is where it's at.
Josh's truck. Amazing what goes on in his mind.
Scary looking, almost Mad Max style. It's awesome.
It's more rat rodish.
The art that is in that is just unreal. I just like the look, the big, bulky. It's just badass. Joshua Joyce nailed that thing.
I'm a big fan of like old, rusty things that look like they're gonna fall apart, but they're actually held together really well.
No, they're both great in their own right. They've definitely both done an over-the-top job.
All right, extremely close. Had to count them twice, and we do have a winner by a very slim margin. It was Kenny Hauk.
I've been a huge fan of Josh's work for a long time. He's built amazing stuff. His truck came out absolutely phenomenal. Let's hear it for Josh and all the work he put into it. And we're super thankful of our crew here, all the guys. This was a team effort. Those guys worked really, really hard to make this thing work. So super awesome having you here, and we love seeing the creative builds that you guys have all done. It's really a pleasure for Josh and I to see those vehicles and all the hard work that went into them.
Everyone that came out and came from my friends and stuff, thanks for actually supporting this. I know it's not around the corner from your house. It's far, and it was a long, wet, hot drive. So thank you for all coming and being part of this with us, and that's really it. Thanks, guys.
Once again, Kenny and his crew have done an amazing job. I mean, the talent, the thought, the idea, and all the hard work that goes into these vehicles is absolutely amazing. No one vehicle is ever the same. So to be able to participate in these applications and this tanker truck is awesome.
Seeing it in person, seeing all that detail, but knowing that every bolt, every fastener, every ratchet, every wrench, every socket, those are gear wrench tools, and put it together. I mean, that's exciting to be part of.
It's just an incredible deal to be a part of. Everybody that's here has been super nice and super amazing. There's no attitudes, no negativity. It's just good times and killer trucks, and it's a great thing to be a part of. We just feel really privileged to even be here,
To see these guys put these together, they're pieces of art. I think they did an amazing job.
And it all matches so well, everything goes together. It flows so nice through the truck. Not only did we do a bunch of parts for Kenny's truck, but we did a bunch of parts for this Josh from Village Custom Guy's truck. Now this thing's nuts. This dude drove this thing like 500 miles here. You wanna talk about straight up legit, for real world rat rod, dude? That's this guy. I'm proud of my parts, but I'm proud just to have my parts on this crazy piece of driving artwork this dude showed up with,
I really want to thank all my friends that donated all their time, flew in, drove in, helped me throughout all these weeks, and for our sponsors really backing us and helping us along the way to get this thing perfect.
It's been an absolute blast getting to know the guys from Village Customs and other shops all across the country. The Rat Rod community is comprised of like-minded individuals who have a real passion for automotive design. We've made lifelong friends we look forward to hanging out with at future events. And we want to give a huge shout out to our sponsors that made these vehicle builds possible. We look forward to seeing all of you at the Ultimate Callout Challenge in 2021.